Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to advertise on Eventbrite. So I'm going to walk you down the tips to take to advertise on Eventbrite. Here's a guide for advertising your event on Eventbrite to help increase visibility and reach your target audience. The first thing to do is to log into Eventbrite. So go to Eventbrite homepage at www.eventbrite.com and log in with your credentials if prompted. Once logged in, you're going to have to access your events. So in the top right corner of your screen, go ahead and click on your profile picture identified by your email address, and you see a drop down menu with a couple of options. From the drop down menu, go ahead and click on manage my events, and once you click on that, this will open a new window displaying the left-hand navigation menu with options related to your event. So currently waiting for this to load up. Now that we are in this page, in the left-hand navigation menu of the manage my events window, which we have in here, go ahead and locate and select marketing. So we're going to find the marketing option just right here. Now this section provides tools to promote your event effectively. In the marketing section, Eventbrite offers several advertising tools. So there are a couple of primary tools. So these marketing tools are right positioned at the top of the screen with these tabs in here. So the first that you can find is the email campaigns, and you have social media, you have paid social ads, you have Instagram growth, you have promotions, and you have settings. So you can boost your events with paid social ads. Eventbrite has an in-platform option to boost your events through paid ads on popular platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. Follow the instructions to set up a paid advertising campaign directly from Eventbrite. Then set your budget, audience, and duration based on your need. And then the next thing to consider is the email campaign. Now select email campaigns in the marketing section, which you have in here, to create targeted email campaigns. So you can compose an email, select your audience from previous attendees or subscribers, and schedule the email to go out at an optimal time. Also, you can leverage social media sharing tools, which we have here. Eventbrite provides social sharing options to post your event on social media platforms. This can be done under here, the event dashboard, and shared event, of course, once you click here. And you can also share directly on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or use the link to share on other platforms. Now, another tip is to optimize event page for organic reach. Ensure your event page is optimized with keywords in the title, description, and tags, as Eventbrite search engine can help you reach more potential attendees. Add high quality images, a compelling description, and accurate tags to make your event page attractive and SEO friendly. Eventbrite sometimes collaborates with external sites to display events in specific categories, so be sure your event details and category are accurate. Also, you can check under marketing for partner platform options to increase reach. Under reporting as well, in the left-hand menu, you can track engagement metrics, ticket sales, and ad performance to understand which method are working best. So use this data to adjust your strategies as needed for ongoing or future events. Following the steps and tips will help you advertise your event on Eventbrite effectively. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.